guys, so I just want to show you this cool tanks that are on these. These are awesome. So there's just like a huge row of tanks. Really cool stuff. And it just keeps going. There's some military equipment. There's some more. Keeps going. There's some other rigs. Wow, something's going on. Pretty cool. Let's see if it hits the other side. It just keeps going. And then we'll hit this other side over here. Let's see, there's just some other tanks. Just a bunch of storage facilities. Anyway, thought you'd like it.